The Jussie Smollett conviction was just overturned by the Illinois Supreme Court for what is a very shocking but good legal reason. Smollett was convicted in 2021 for orchestrating a hoax and lying to the police about racist aggression that he claims he was subject to. After it was discovered he was lying, the initial prosecutor agreed to drop the charges for $10,000 in community service. Later, a special prosecutor came in and tried Smollett for the same charges, and while this would usually be okay, in this case the government already made a previous agreement with the defendant. The court explained its decision by stating that it would be, quote, fundamentally unfair to allow the prosecution to renege on a deal with the defendant when the defendant has relied on the agreement to his detriment. The court continued, basically stating that while the initial crime was not good, it would be equally as bad to allow the government not to honor its agreements it makes with the defendant. Now the big question, was this a good ruling and a good thing? In my opinion, yes. While this might seem like a technicality, it's important that the government be able to keep its promises not only on a moral level, but on a practical and public policy level. These kinds of decisions allows the government to reduce sentencing and allows defendants to work with the government in order to solve bigger crimes, because if a defendant knows that the government is not reliable, then there's a very poor communication moving forward. This is a good ruling, public policy level, and a moral level.